Good morning, y'all. Hey, today I'm gonna do chest, shoulders, and triceps. I already did my treadmill workout. Of course, I'm not gonna make you sit through that because it's in the dark anyway, because it's in the movie room. But y'all, go ahead and like my video and subscribe to my channel because this is what I do. Aside with fashion, I also make sure I do show you fashion videos and walkthroughs and stuff like that of different products. And I also am taking you on my fitness journey. But I do appreciate you watching this morning. Again, today I'm doing chest flies, chest presses, tricep dips. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, the tricep dips, the hardest thing for me to do is the ones where you're using your body weight. So I ended up not finishing the ones that I do with my body weight. At the very end, you only see me do 2 sets, and really it was just 1.5 sets. So I ended up taking my final tricep dips to the actual tricep dip machine, okay? And I did do 3 sets. However, I only videotaped 1 since I was short 1 anyway. So y'all just gonna have to trust me on the rest. I did go ahead and get the rest of them in. They are not as effective as using your actual body weight, because of course I only put like 50 pounds. When I tried to go to 60 pounds, I could barely push it down. So remember, when I'm dropping weight, I don't know how much my arms weigh, but I weigh 276. So take my arms away, I don't know, maybe that's 20 pounds each arm, maybe, I don't know. But I was dropping the rest of my weight minus, you know, legs and whatever else. So hey, look at this dude in the way. I do try to hide my camera for the most part. However, it's just very hard to. And then I forgot my silicone thing that hangs on the mirror, so I actually had to use my tripod on the floor. So it's a good thing that I actually am in the space that I'm in right now, because I barely have people coming in front of me. Normally I like to go work out outside. However, today it was 64 degrees outside. Matter of fact, this morning it was 61, I believe. So yeah, I said let me go ahead and be indoors anyway. So yeah, eventually when I buy me a house, y'all, I'm gonna create me a space outside that's like that turf in the backyard, and I'm gonna call mine maybe the front yard, I don't know. But yes, I definitely would like to create something like that, because I think that is so dope to just be able to get up and go work out whenever you want to with dumbbells and weights or whatever you must have. But yes, guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video today, and also I hope it does motivate you to get up and move around, even if it's just for like 10 minutes. Like literally, that's how I got started, pumping my fists in the bed after a long COVID stint, okay? Got me back up, got me to moving around, and that's all she wrote, y'all. But you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.